Hello, in front of me I've got Realme C21Y. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning go to Settings. Now enter Security, Screen Lock. And as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: None, Swipe, Pattern, Pin and Password. Firstly, let's select None. Now Swipe, Password, Pin, and at the end, Pattern. Now we can go to Fingerprint, and our fingerprint sensor is right here on the back of the phone. So let's scan your fingerprint. And use it to unlock the phone. And the last way to unlock the phone is face unlock. Place your face in this area to scan it. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.